So this is my little garden helper, Miro, a chocolate cattle dog. And anybody knows cattle dogs knows how much I like to help their picked person. I'm trying to separate the grass out of from the topsoil, save some of it. Get that one right there. Go get it. Get that topsoil. No, that's not a fresh one. Okay, you want to get a new one? Okay, let's get this one. Oh yeah. Who needs an aerator when you got a cattle dog? Okay, ready? Get that one. Good boy. Yeah. Ready? Here's one. Oh yeah, break it all up. So you don't need a tiller when you got one of these guys helping you. Oh yeah, look at that, break it up. Good boy.